It's the sequel to the Samoan cinema classic that you didn't expect to see, nor wanted to. Saili, the Orator, returns to defend his honor once more. In a village overrun by corruption and a lack of cash power, the Orator must overcome all the Moimims to make one last lauga.
Ile mamalo, malpaia.
Kia ora. I'm just gonna be honest. I bought my matai just down the road. It's $1,000 in a crate of Vailima, so someone kind of has to be the butt of everyone's jokes. It's gonna have to be you, bro.
Well, you've got a lot of butt, isn't it?
Sorry?
Huh?
Huh?
Oi.
You're a little Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa, Doompity-doo. You can Oompa Loompa, Oompa-la-doo.
What's this kind of thing? You come here and show your body like this?
As you can see, muscles. Is what I...
You're scaring the kids. Close your eyes.
Your shirt looks like it's, old.
Yes. Like that hairline. Oh, give me some.
But in this Samoan cinematic universe, there's a new buzz in town, and she means me.
I auditioned for Ant-Man, but they said nah, Ray. So I went on set with the Orator. Oh, the suit. Yeah, my auntie made it. It's quite hard to take off, it's too small. But I've had it on for like 2 weeks.
Oh, excuse me, we're trying to film a movie here. Do you know they only gave us $50 for this thing? Right?
From the makers of Captain American Samoa and Black Panty comes the summer and the winter blockbuster that is The Orator 2, Orator and the Wasp. Biz, biz, biz.